Hello, it's Sue here from Choose Wellbeing. Today I've made you a short unboxing video to show you the Photizo device. So the device that I'm showing you today is the pain relief model, but there are 5 different models. And the first thing I want to mention about the Photizo device is it's not a laser device, it's an LED device, so there's no need for protective glasses and there's no training required. So you remove the device from the cardboard packaging and it's ready to use. So when you want to use it, you simply press the button and it has a pre-programmed dose, and then you'll see that the red light appears. Underneath the cardboard packaging, if you lift the 2 bits of packaging away, you'll find the Photizo charger. Now the Photizo charger has a Photizo logo. This is the only charger to use with your device. If you use any other charger other than one with the Photizo logo, it may not charge your device or it may damage your device. It also comes with a selection of different fittings for different countries that you might visit. There's a black cover or little pouch, and also you'll find a user guide in the box, which is very useful. It's got some information in, but there's lots more information on the websites, and I'll link all of that in the comments section below. To use your Photizo, you just apply it to the area you want to treat, press the button. It has a pre-programmed dose, as I mentioned, and once it's gone through its dose, the light will turn off, and then you simply move it to the next area you want to treat and press the button again and repeat. And for best results, use the Photizo regularly. Now there's a 2-year warranty on the Photizo and 1 year on the battery. Any problems, do get in touch, visit the links below.